everyone. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of TNT Epic Adventures. In today's episode, I head out to the Weber River in Utah, where I actually don't catch anything. So after a few hours fishing there, I head up to one of the tributaries in the Weber that I like to fish. I was able to catch one of the prettiest brown trout that I've ever caught, and I get some awesome footage of it, so stay tuned at the end of the episode, you'll see that. During most of the day, though, I actually spooked a lot of fish. And I think it might be because the water was pretty low and it's really clear right now. But I would fish the spots where I suspected fish would be. They weren't interested in my flies, and then they would get spooked as I walked closer to them. So kind of the lesson I learned when I go back there is to be a little sneakier, get my flies deeper, and try to fish those spots a little more. So I'll apply that next time and hopefully catch some more fish. Enjoy the episode. I'm here at that same tributary that I fished before. There was a big fish. Well, they're in here. Guess I gotta be sneakier today. Dang, that guy kind of scared me. He's fishing the other side instead of this side. I should have done this side first. We're gonna try to get a few today. So I'm using the same setup that I was on the last one with the orange 14-foot PVC line. And then I have maybe a 2-foot tippet on there, 2 feet of tippet on there, and a little red and black kabari fly with a kind of a gray hackle. I'm hoping it'll work today. Oh, dang. It's a big guy right there. Spooked him. There's a fish in the water right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right behind this rock. It's not a very big one, but see if we can get my fly down in front of his face. Oh, there he goes. Oh, dang, I just spooked one. He was right here. Whoa, that's a big fish. I knew there'd be one under there, but he didn't want my fly. He's still swimming around. I don't know if you guys can see him. There's a few of them swimming around. Dang, spooked them. This pool's kind of ruined, but we'll fish a couple more spots just to make sure. Oh, there was a fish right there. He's probably not going to eat anything. Just passed it right over him. Shadow spooked him. Well, I got a brown here. See if I can net him. It's kind of, there's so many bushes and trees in the way. I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure how to land him. All right, there we go, that's better. Let's see if I can get him over here now. Oh, got snow in my net. Wow, that was a pretty brown. Come on, buddy. Oh. Oh, oh. Easy, easy. Oh. Nice. Wow. That is a pretty brown. Beautiful, buddy. Look at that yellow belly and those bright red spots. Kabari fly got right in there. Whoop. Easy, buddy. There we go. Well, let's get a good picture of you and get you released, buddy. Well, I got a nice 14-inch brown that I'm going to show you here. He's got some pretty colors on him, really yellow belly and some bright red spots. I'm hoping you guys can see it in the camera okay. Get him out of here and see if we can take a quick look at him and get him released. Look at that, wow. Fish. Alright, let's get you released, buddy. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of TNT Epic Adventures. I hope you guys liked the underwater footage that I was able to get. That was pretty awesome. I'll try to get more of that in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.